Hi guys, I'm Juan here, up in the sun while bringing lifestyle and fandom realness. You did read the title right. We have a quadruple Loungefly unboxing. Woo! These four newest additions to my collection are just so wonderful for me. They speak to me on so many different levels. And I'm going to start off with the one that is a grail bag for me that I was so excited that Shop Disney dropped this bag again, and it is right here. You want to see what's inside? Let's take a look. It's Mother herself. Oh my gosh. Yes, your screen is not deceiving you. This is the Scarlet Witch cosplay Loungefly from the Disney parks. That's where they initially were selling these. However, it is also metallic and shining. So what I love about this is that it has the original front pocket with the square here. It's nice and big, and you can see the detail of her bodice there. Oh my gosh, this bag is just everything I wanted in a Scarlet Witch bag. There have been other iterations of the Scarlet Witch Loungefly, a lot actually, and I'm so happy that I was able to get my hands on this beauty. You can see her cowl there, or whatever this is called, this band across her forehead that is famous. Look at that detail there, so gorgeous. I love this black hardware. And you can just see it has the styrofoam in there, but nice big front pocket. The side detailing here, so great. Look at that, so beautifully detailed. And then on the other side, we have the placard. It says Marvel Loungefly, which is great. Doesn't say Disney Parks. I'm so glad. It specifically says Marvel. It does have the functioning side pockets. On the inside, it just says Scarlet Witch. Doesn't have anything else going on. I think this is fine because this bag is just so gorgeous with this black leather. I look at this contrast. So nice. I love the black and the red. This was a grail bag when it first came out. I don't think I was really hardcore collecting Loungefly, and I just wasn't sure. But this one I definitely wanted to get, and then sold out. So I was so devastated. If you like this bag, go ahead and check the website. I think as of this recording, this bag is gorgeous. I love Wanda. I love Scarlet Witch, and I'm so happy I have her. This next bag I'm sharing with you, I wouldn't even have it in my possession if it wasn't for Shae at Disney Life. Shout out to Shae. Girl, you get me in trouble. But she had alerted me to a small shop based out of Colorado called Enchanted Suppliers, and that they were having like a closeout sale. They are sadly closing. So as you can see, they were discounting a lot of their inventory, and they're like, well, this has to go because we out. Because of Shae's notice on Instagram, I was able to run over to the website and see what they had available. And they had a bag that I had really had my eye on for the longest time. Well, since I debuted at least. And I was like, I need that part of my collection because I am trying to build up this collection, and it is this Hercules bag. Yes, the Gates of Olympus. Now, this bag is beautiful. I love Greek mythology, so this definitely speaks to me. This is a bag. It kind of reminds me, I'll get back to this for a second, but it kind of reminds me of when they were doing the Castle series. And now this is like Olympus. This is like now Hercules Castle. Okay. So now we're repping the demigod. But the shimmer on like this gold foiling over the gates is beautiful. I just love these colors for the coming through the clouds. And then you see here, this is Olympus. Let me take her out for a second. And you can see the landscaping, not really land, it's clouds. And then the black is there in the center. It had the stars there. They also have the gold foiling, so they have a beautiful little shimmer to them. And then this tag here of Hercules on Pegasus ready for battle, which is so cool. I love this detail. It's just on one side. Then the pocket is hiding behind there. It does have the gold hardware. I love the columns. Oh, so pretty. This beautiful blue and the gold hardware. Yes. Oh my gosh. And then on the back, yeah, we have the king and queen of Olympus themselves. There's Zeus and Hera there, all as well. They're so happy with their reign. I won't really get into the true nature of these characters and their history. Obviously, this was definitely Disneyfied. So every time I look at them, I'm like, Zeus? Zeus. You know who you are. You know what you did, and you know where we are. This interior is just gorgeous. It has different vases of Hercules and like just little motifs. I love the colors. They're so beautiful. Just love this beautiful print. It's so gorgeous. Just a beautiful bag, and I do love the two-tone of the blue. It's just so gorgeous. I'm so happy to add this to my collection. Unfortunately, Chance of Fires did not have the wallet to this, but Shae came through again, and she alerted me of another sale Loungefly.com was having, so you know I had to jump over there and get the wallet. Y'all know I love a set. I'm sorry. I know people are just like, I don't have the room, I don't need more, but for me as a collector, I need the set. It just makes more sense for me, and just look how cute that is. Oh my gosh, I love it. And on the other side, you have this very popular motif of Hercules on Pegasus. They use this image a lot in a lot of the merchandise that, at least for this year, I've seen recently. Not to say it's bad, but you know, it's nice to have some variety in the collection, not everything looking the same. Besides that, this is gorgeous. I love, again, the gold foiling in the background. This is so beautiful. This is my favorite style of the wallet. I have all the card slots here. You have the slot for your ID, which doesn't have any interesting cutout. It just has a regular slit there for the ID holder, and you can see more of that detail of the lining here. And it does have this zip pocket here for the change or other things that you don't want falling out so easily. So yes, awesome. Shae, you don't, girl, you don't have me spending money with all these alerts. But I'm not mad at it. I'm just very grateful. Thank you so much for letting me know, because not only was this on sale, this bag is on sale. Now, before I get into it, let me just tell you something. I don't collect a lot of these characters. However, when I saw this bag and who's in it, I knew I had to have it in my collection. And this is what I'm talking about. I am speaking about this gorgeous pastel laden villains bag. This is so great. I heard that the art for the villains here was done in-house, so shout out to those artists. You guys did a great job, because look at these girlies. They look so fierce. I love how high fashion they look. Just so great. Maleficent there with the evil queen, of course Ursula, and then you have Cruella de Vil, and then my boys. You have Gaston, you have Jafar, and then here at the bottom we have Dr. Facilier and Captain Hook. These boys look devilishly handsome. And then you have this beautiful purple pastel for the Disney Loungefly plaque, with outfitted in the color blocking of that teal. And the color blocking on this is excellent. I love it. Before I get into more of it, this is unique because it does have the 3 compartments for the zipper. This is the first time I've bought a bag like this. You can see their design continues through. Okay, a little spoiler for the inside lining, but that's so freaking cool. The same goes for, but no, Ursula gets cut off for whatever reason, and then we have continuing on for Cruella. So come on, why did we have to be lazy? Continue through. It's just a thing. I'm just like, I don't like unfinished looking products. It doesn't make, I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me. You spent all that time and energy on the other three girlies, but you left Ursula in the dust. So the boys did not get the same effect. They're just on the outside. On this side, we have Hades, and he's looking so great. I thought he would blend differently within that teal, but he looks so good. Okay, and then on the other side, we have a character that doesn't get enough credit or love, and that's Lady Tremaine. She's looking like, I'm like, hello. I don't know why I don't have another man. What I love about this, of course, it has this beautiful silver hardware, but the texture is like that Saffiano leather. You know, it's really cool. Just love that. So this is why I got the bag, because it is featuring my main demon, Chernabog. Oh my gosh, he looks so great. Look at that. Oh my goodness, so stinking cool. I love it. So freaking cool. This is really what sold me for this bag, because I really am like, I don't like, you know, the other characters, I love them, but Chernabog is really one that I love Fantasia, as you can see. So it's just, it had to be part of my collection. Let's look in the inside, because you've already got a sneak peek of what's going on in there. It's just wild. So it has the characters in the diamond motif, but it also features another character, Hans from Frozen, which is so different. And you can also get peeks of Mother Gothel. Where is it? Here, this is a better side, sorry. You can see that Mother Gothel is also included. So they didn't leave them out. But is Hans that really big of a character to stand shoulder to shoulder with these villains? That's to be debated. But, you know, they left out, you know, so many other villains that they could have put there. But Hans was an interesting choice. But either way, it's different, and there's not many things that include him, so I shout out for them for thinking outside the box, I guess, on that end. And of course, I did get the matching wallet. I have to say that I actually love the wallet placement better than what they did on the main bag, because here you have this awesome grouping of the characters: Dr. Facilier, Evil Queen, Hades, Gaston, Lady Tremaine, and the beautiful plaque there. And on the other side, you have, oh, Mother Gothel. They threw her on there. And of course, Ursula, Jafar, Maleficent, and Cruella de Vil. I love this color blocking on the inside. It's so great. It's the same style with the card slots here, and then the zipper action here. It kind of has a skull of some sort. And then you have the lining here. I love how my boy Chernabog is front and center here. So great. Also, this amazing Loungefly dust bag came with my order, because I am a fan member. If you haven't set up your fan member account, or whatever it's called, go ahead and do so you can get one of these. This is really nice to have to put in your bags. The ones that you don't have on display can sit comfortably in here and protect them. So this dust bag is everything. I was so sad I didn't have it my last order, but then I was like, oh, I'm not signed up. What's up with that? So it's not automatic. How dare you? I'm just kidding. But yes, go ahead and enroll in that so you can get one of these with your order. If you're going to be ordering from them, might as well grab a freebie. I have one more bag to show you. I can't believe we're already here. Before we get to that, please go ahead and like this video and comment down below. Do you already have the bags that I've shown you in your collection? Please let me know. A whopping 90% of you are watching my videos and not subscribing. Please go ahead, hit that subscribe button. You will not regret it, because A, it's free, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring you some more fun content. Okay, this bag, when I saw that this bag was gonna be a drop, I lost my mind, because this bag is tied into a series I just saw recently. It's on Disney Plus. Spoiler alert. and it is this Disney 100 Decades bag for the Dr. Teeth and Electric Mayhem. Oh my gosh. Y'all, when I tell you this was the bag that if I did not get any other of these Loungeflies, if they were not allowed on my dog and I was only allowed to pick one, it would have to be this bag, because I had my love for this band reignited by that new show out. It is so good. I highly recommend you go out and watch it if you haven't seen it yet. So funny. Animal is adorable. Animal is the best in that series. Also gives you some background on the band, which is really cool when they go into more of the lore. You see you have Dr. Teeth there, you have Zoot, you have Animal, Lips, of course Janice, and then Floyd there. So amazing. I love the shape. I just love this drum for the front pocket. Look at this. So colorful. This is such a happy bag. You cannot not be happy when you look at this bag. So beautiful. I love the psychedelic artwork. It just so fits them. And then the side, you have this fringe. I love this. This is so like Beatles vibes. Beautiful plaque there with the outlining of the purple against the green. I love the color blocking on this bag. Look at that beautiful purple. It's just so stinking cute. Silver hardware. And this is so just look at that. Okay, Sergeant Pepper. Oh my gosh, that's what reminds me of the suits from the Beatles wearing for the Sergeant Pepper. Speaking of eras, this is a decades bag. So it does say 100 decades on the tag here. Give me a second. Okay. So you see the Disney 100 decades. And on the back, it does have the tag here. It's Disney 100 decades. And then here, you have the band's insignia. It's really cool, their logo. Dr. Teeth and the Electric Mayhem. So freaking cool. Does not have a pocket at all on the inside of the core. It's just a print of their faces. I wish it did come with a wallet. Wouldn't it be great if it had like a little wallet that was just this, the drum of, wouldn't that be cool? Yeah, it would be also cool. This is detachable and you could use it as a wristlet or some sort. This has to be definitely in my top 5 of bags released this year. And I'm so happy I have this bag. Thank you so much for joining me. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Please, please, please. I'm trying to get to that 300 mark for my next giveaway. Thank you so much to all my current subscribers. Again, comment down below which one of these bags do you have or do you prefer? Are we bag twins on any of these? Are you collecting the Disney decades? Please let me know down below. Do you love Wanda? Do you love everything Marvel? Please comment down below. There's a great mix of fandoms here. Please remember to be safe. Tell somebody that you love them because tomorrow's never promised. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.